How to fix Crown of Lust is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library and right-click on the game and open up the Properties window. Now from the General tab, you want to add -DX11 to the launch options. Then go to Installed Files tab and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your browser and search for Redist. Now open up the first link from Microsoft, and then from the second table here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installers for redistributables. Once this is completed, it will ask you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, before opening the game, you will need to check if you have the latest graphic card driver updates installed. So if you have an NVIDIA card, you should use the NVIDIA app for updates. And if you have AMD, you can use the AMD software. Go to the drivers section and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest one. Next, you will need to run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.